Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko washing machine and it's giving you an E12 error and you're wondering what's going on and what you can do to fix it. So a little bit of bad news, this is not an easy homeowner type fix. This error is when the washing machine is sensing an error with the motor. And I use those terms deliberately, that it's sensing there's a problem with the motor, because an error like this can be a problem with the motor, it can be a problem with the sensor of the motor, it can be a problem with the wiring to the motor, it can be a problem with the control panel that's sending information or interpreting information from the sensor for the motor. So you see that the error can happen anywhere along there, and you're really going to need to have a technician take a look at it to solve this problem. There's not a real simple solution here. If you are comfortable, you can get in there. One of the first, most basic things to do would be to access the motor and just check the wiring and make sure there's no damaged, disconnected, corroded wiring in there. But especially if you've got a warranty on your product, you don't necessarily want to go digging in there. So anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.